Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on Samsung Galaxy M55s. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services and here you have to find parental controls. And now click on let's do this. Then click sign in. And here you have to enter your child email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your child password. Then click I agree. And click accept. Now click on supervise. And click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll all the way down and here you have to enter your child password again. Then click next. And click allow. Now click next again. And click done. And as you can see, my parental controls are now set up, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.